So ngayon nga pala is magvo-vlog tayo kung gaano kaiksi ang travel time from San Pedro, Laguna using the new northbound exit San Pedro going to Alabang. Okay? So dati kasi it will take us like 20 minutes without any traffic. So samahan nyo ako. So before kasi na magawa itong northbound San Pedro exit, medyo mahirap, medyo matagal kasi on traffic sa Tunasan. So gugugulin mo yung oras mo doon. I think it will like probably take you 30 minutes kung medyo maingat ka mag-drive. Okay? So this is the new northbound. Na medyo mabagal yung scanner nila. So, timer starts now. So, nakaalis na tayo dito sa northbound exit coming from San Pedro. Okay. Let's go. And tignan natin kung anong oras tayo makakarating sa pupuntahan natin. So, right now, it's 1:18 p.m. Okay? So, syempre, abide tayo sa speed limit. So, just time check, 1:18 p.m. tayo umalis. And i-stop natin yung time, magda-time check tayo pag nakarating na tayo sa exit ng Alabang. So, ayan, gaya ng sabi ko kanina guys, if you will go to Tunasan and mag-exit ka sa Susana nung wala pang San Pedro northbound exit, it can take you up to 30 minutes, 1 hour pag sobrang congested na Muntinlupa crossing. Okay, so ganun kalala. Yun naman yung worst case scenario. Ngayon medyo may congestion pa rin. Although for me medyo maluwag pa to. It's already 1:22 p.m. So 4 minutes have passed. So approximately 5 minutes kung 100 yung takbo natin, we can arrive or we can reach Alabang within 5 minutes coming from San Pedro northbound exit. So ang laking tipid nun. Kung gusto niyo naman itanong kung tipid ba, kung worth it ba, well, yung sasakyan kasi natin mas magastos yan kapag mabagal yung takbo mo, nasa traffic ka. So I think the extra penny that you will pay for this exit San Pedro northbound is already worth it na. So tignan natin kung magkano from San Pedro northbound. Guys, it's 21 pesos. So, pag na-traffic ka, mapagasolina or diesel ka, imposibleng hindi ka umubos ng 1 litro. Doon sa traffic na yun, ay magkano per liter? Right? So, per liter is sa gasolina, I think 60 plus or 70. I'm not sure the exact figure. But for the diesel, approximately 60 pesos. So, yung matitipid mong 40 pesos, let's say, ipagpalagay na natin 40 pesos yung matitipid mo, napakalaking bagay na nun, lalo nang mahal ng bilihin ngayon. Diba? Ginagawa natin lahat ng paraan para makapagtipid tayo sa isang araw or isang buwan. O, ayun. Sana nakatulong sa inyo yung information na to. So, quick recap lang. So, we reached Alabang from San Pedro northbound in 5 minutes approximately. It can be shorter kung talagang walang congestion kagaya ng pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching and see you on my next vlog.